HM Group is a leading solution provider and a trusted metal products manufacturer for the material handling industry, serving sectors such as warehousing, transportation, and distribution. We are committed to delivering safer, more sustainable, and highly efficient solutions that help businesses worldwide optimize operations and reduce costs. No matter your industry, whether it's retail, PT Perform, wine, e-commerce, agriculture, or automotive, we provide customized solutions tailored to your unique needs. With 23 years of expertise, we have earned a strong reputation for excellence. Our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation has made us the trusted partner of thousands of businesses, including Fortune 500 companies. Backed by a well-established global network, we have extensive export expertise across the Americas, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Our overseas branches in the USA, Netherlands, Dubai, and Singapore ensure smooth international operations and efficient customer support. With over 15 production bases in key coastal cities, we have built a powerful supply chain system equipped with robotic welding systems, laser welding machines, fully automatic welding machines, and in-house surface treatment lines, including hot-dip galvanizing, zinc coating, and powder coating. Our more than 40 production lines and over 200 models ensure on-time delivery and diverse product options to meet various industry needs. Backed by ISO 9000 and 1-2024 and ANSI certifications, we guarantee consistent quality that you can trust. We provide OEM and ODM services with customizable options, including size, surface treatments, structural designs, and other additional features. Our comprehensive support covers manufacturing, real-time process updates, global exporting, installation guidance, accessory supply, customer satisfaction surveys, market tracking, etc., ensuring a hassle-free and personalized experience for our clients. Our dedicated teams of professionals, from designers to overseas sales teams, work together to deliver innovative solutions and exceptional service, ensuring long-term success for our partners.
Together, we hold goods. Together, we move the world.